Yeah? Hello? Hello? Yeah? Yes. That's important, huh? Say yes. Say hello. Say hey, Grandma. Oh, there's Grandpa, huh? You talking to Grandpa now, huh? Did you say hi to Grandpa? Tell him. Say oh. Can you still say oh? Tell him. Say hello. What do you think? Bubbles.
That's it, blow bubble.
Let's go, Bubbles. Blow him and suck him back in. That's pretty good. Bubbles. Say hello. Say hi, Grandpa. Can you say hi? What do you think? Can you say hi? Say hi. Yeah? And then what happened? What happened then? Did you roll over yesterday? Did you? Did you roll over? Yeah? You rolled over?